Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to use an iPad or even your smartphone as a document camera during a Google Meet call. Let's get started. Option number 1 is to join the Meet call for a second time on another device. Let's see how that works. So the first thing you need to do is to start your Google Meet call on your laptop and then to take a note of the meeting details. You can find those in the bottom left hand corner by clicking the meeting details button, and the specific part that you're looking for here is the last 10 digits or so of the URL for the meeting. Once you have those, take a note of those, and what you're going to do now is mute the microphone on your Meet call and turn the volume on your laptop all the way down to 0 so that there is nothing coming out of the speakers on your laptop. You have to do this, you have to do both of these things in order to prevent unwelcome feedback because the devices are in close proximity to each other. Okay, so the Google Meet app is now open on the iPad, and we're going to tap up here where it says join a meeting. Once you have that open, you can proceed to enter the 10 characters that are listed on the meeting details tab that you found on your laptop. Then tap join in the top right hand corner. Finally, tap the blue join button to enter the call on your iPad. On the menu bar at the bottom, I'm going to tap the 3 dots and then choose to share my screen. Next, I'm going to tap start broadcast, and I can tap away from this screen in order to begin my sharing. Next, I'm going to go to my home screen on the iPad, tap on the camera app to open my camera, and I can use that to display my document for my students. If I switch back to my laptop, you can see the iPad is displayed on the left hand side of the screen, and the webcam for my laptop is on the right hand side of the screen. When you're ready to stop sharing, go back to the iPad, tap the stop sharing button in the Google Meet app. Option number 2 is just for Mac users, but it lets you use Quicktime to share your iPad in a Meet call. In order for this to work, you first need to connect your iPad to your Mac with the USB charging cable. Once you have that taken care of, you're going to open the Quicktime app on your Mac and then go up to File, New Movie Recording in order to show your iPad. If you're not seeing your iPad displayed on the screen, come down to the Record button where you'll see an arrow that you can click for some additional options, and that will let you choose your iPad from the list. Next, you can open the Camera app, and you can use that to display your document. Back in your Google Meet web browser, you can come down to the Present Now tab and choose a window. From here, you can choose your QuickTime movie recording window to share with your students. While presenting, you won't be able to see your iPad on your Google Meet call. However, everything you see and display on your iPad will be available for students to see. When you're done, simply click the Stop Presenting button to turn your iPad off on the Meet call. So there you go, a couple of quick ways to share your iPad on a Google Meet call.